Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume on your Nintendo Switch if you're using a headset or something like that. So there is a setting that's limiting how much sound you can actually get. So if we go to System Settings right here, and we scroll on down, and we increase the volume on our Nintendo Switch, we want to go on over to System Settings, scroll on down, and we're looking for Lower Max Headphone Volume. This is turned on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. When you're using headphones, please listen at a volume that is safe for your ears. Set the volume so that you are still able to hear your surroundings, and take breaks when you're using headphones. Okay, so just turn this off, and this will relimit any kind of like maximum headphone state or volume that the Nintendo Switch puts on it. So we should be able to turn this up and listen to our headset at the fully maximum, and it should be a little bit louder now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.